Hey guys, welcome back. This is the debrief to the Thunder Ridge show. Excuse me. So, I'm sure everyone knows, you all know that we got to the show yesterday pretty easily. We stole a ride on the employee shuttle bus, unwittingly. We didn't know it first. Yeah, my lovely wife's like, why are they all dressed the same? and then we figured it out. Now going back was a little different. That piece of highway that we were on the shuttle going fro, that's back. We walked, and I annoyed my luck because I may have tripped and fell in the ditch a couple times. Anyway, we loved the show. It was a pretty cool venue. They did Get Off My Cloud. That made us super happy. Rambler, awesome. Keith did Before They Make Me Run. That made us super happy. Oh yeah, again, I think the parking may have been okay, but the getting to the show and out, I think especially out, is horrendous. We saw something on the Shadivi Facebook page that it took someone 2 hours to get out and on their way. So, is that it? I feel like this was something else. No? That's it? Okay. Hey guys, tragically the tour's over, but we will be posting other videos other than the Stones, obviously, because I have no choice now. Take it easy.